when there's a slip pocket right here, the knife can go in there, the Laplander can go in there, my EMT shears can go all right in there. Everything's like tucked away behind a pocket where nobody can really see what's going on. I really miss that pocket. This pocket, even if I didn't carry stuff in this pocket's worthless. Like this stupid triangle pocket, there's nothing that fits in there or stays in there. Okay. Enough about that, I guess. Some Desert Tan gloves, nitrile gloves, bandana, hand warmers. This should not be in there, that's just a band-aid. Moleskin. This is a card for my kids. I like to carry that around. Here's another one of those fire starters. Another challenge coin. What? Another one! Another one! How'd I get so many? It's crazy. By the way, that's not trick photography. Yeah, I got 3. Why 3? Well, one's for me and one's for each kid in case they grow up to like gear as much as I do. I don't know. It's stupid. I should really only have 0 challenge coins. Okay, in this slip pocket right here, cheap, crappy poncho. This is just I think it's an adventure medical kit heat sheet. Basically, it's a luxurious top-end Mylar blanket in orange, in case I want to signal people on the moon. Alright, what else is in this slip pocket? A couple Ballistol wipes. These things are really great if you like to clean stuff out in the field. Recycled soda bottle shoelaces. Another Slim Jim. Some more stuff for the water. White chocolate macadamia nut Cliff Bar. Right in the Rain notepad. Mechanical pencil. 0.9 millimeter. I like them fat. As if you couldn't tell. Some Gatorade Energy Chew tabs. A couple tea candles, 3 tea candles it looks like, and some makeup pad DIY fire starters. Ooh, nice. Alright. Sun 2 compass. Sorry, I had to scratch my nose. I've never been able to make a fire with this magnifying lens, but the magnifying lens in that eyeglass kit, I have definitely made a fire with that a couple times. You know, lighting cotton ball and stuff. I've never done it out of natural tinder, but I carry a bunch of those, so what do I care about natural tinder? Little Torx screw tool. You know, Torx screws are all in here. That way I can adjust knives, whatever. On the fly if I have to. A buff. Oops. Some Emery toilet paper. Getting a little ragged, but still good. Another Slim Jim and some more water powder. Full-size Bic. And another MRE toilet paper, which, as you guys know, if you watched that last bag video right before this one, or 2 videos before this one, about my get home bag, you know I like to go in the woods sometimes. should clarify by saying it's not that I necessarily like going in the woods. Like, I don't go out of my way to go in the woods, but sometimes there's not a bathroom around, and I live out in the woods, so, you know, do the math. All right, main pocket. 5-hour energy. Quick Clot. Z-Pack dressing. Compressed gauze. Israeli bandage. This is a ventilated operator's kit. It's got another TK4 in there, an H bandage. You know, all stuff you need if things get ugly. Chest seal. Okay. That's it for the bag, except for this. This is an old REI little stuff sack. Oh no, sorry. Outdoor research stuff sack. Had for ages. It's got some sandpaper. It's got Cantmore. These candles, I have candle lanterns that have to be, I don't know, like 20 years old, maybe longer, 25, 30, I don't know. I've had them for a long, long time, and these candles are probably at least that old. And they're citronella, and to be honest with you, I'm getting eaten alive by bugs out here. The bugs today are ferocious for whatever reason. Could have really used it. Swiss Army knife. Okay. Tape. I just like regular Scotch tape. When I pull a tick off, I like to encase it in tape because I hate those little buggers. More potassium iodate. Waterproof matches. A waterproof case. Generic Mylar blanket. Another Bic lighter. Another flashlight. This is just a mag light. It has LED aftermarket setup in there. This is not, and I think it has lithium AA's in it, if I'm not mistaken. This just rides in this bag. This is like, yeah, lithium batteries. It's a horrible flashlight by today's standards, but you know, if you're like me, I must have like, I don't know, 9, 10, 12, I don't know. There's a lot of these around my house. So, you know, if you want to have them, just keep them in a bag, whatever. That's what they're good for, basically. And probably, honestly, I have enough other flashlights that this probably isn't the best backup flashlight, but I'm carrying a flashlight on me. They got a little tiny flashlight. Got a little button keychain flashlight on my keys. The other flashlight that's in the bag, it's, you know, how many flashlights do you need, really? In one, you know, for one person during one day. Paracord, I want to say it's probably 30 feet of it. Couple straws. Some lip balm. Magnesium fire starter with a ferro rod striker. Okay, and the last item, full-size signal mirror. Besides signaling, I like to look at myself sometimes because I'm so darn handsome. Actually, I have a couple smaller ones that I bought that are probably, I don't know, like a sixth the size of this. But I don't know, I'm afraid that they won't like reach out far enough, so I just keep this in here even though it's heavy, relatively speaking. You know, this camera being high above my head, I mean, good Lord. Oh, geez. Remember when my hair was long, you could like mess it up, nobody could tell how bald I was getting. It's horrible. I can't have high angle shots coming down on my melon like that. All right, my intent was to take a nap. I brought my my Kamek Roo and of course straps. But the bugs are biting the bejesus out of me, so I'm gonna pack all this gear up, go sit in my truck and listen to the radio. All right, thanks for watching. I didn't say anything, and I just stood still so I could, you know, have an easier time cutting the various segments in every time a car went past. So hopefully there's not too much road noise. If anybody has any questions about any of this junk, feel free to let me know either in the comments section or over at the Everyday Carry forum. Be happy to answer whatever questions are necessary. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'd like to add a little something to the end of that. I normally carry a ham radio, and it's sitting in the charger right now, so I don't have it on me. That's like the one glaring thing that's missing from this bag dump. So if you're wondering what happened to it, if you saw the first video and you were dumb enough to sit through this whole entire other video, which was basically the same other than the bag, yeah, that's where it is. So, all right, take care. Okay, I just put all that stuff back in the bag, except for my water bottle, because I'm gonna have a drink when I'm done with this. I forgot to mention, in case you guys didn't see it, that I had my windbreaker, my shell, up through this and just folded over. I never use this carry handle for carrying it. So oftentimes I've thought about getting a seam puller, just ripping it right off, and I never use the waist strap either on any of my bags that are this style. I was going to yank it off of there, but you know, it serves a purpose other than carrying the bag. I mean, it's a nice place to hang a lightweight jacket. The only other alternative is, of course, to pull the main flap off, slide it through there, and go like that. But you know, by the time you get to the point where you're strapping stuff to the outside of this bag, you know, you need a bigger bag, which this is already too much stuff for one guy to be walking around with all the time. All right. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching.